Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the device is on, unlocked, and has at least 20% battery so the process won't be interrupted. Open the Settings app and type Privacy or Security into the search bar to jump straight to the right menu. This saves time. You need your current password or PIN to proceed because the system requires re-authentication before changing privacy controls. Once authenticated, make sure to locate the specific privacy password or lock screen entry so you can change that setting next. You now tap the privacy or lock screen option and open password settings. This is where the toggle lives. Once you choose Turn Off or Remove Password, the system will prompt you to enter your current code again. Do that to verify it's you. After confirmation, follow any on-screen prompts such as removing biometric relock or disabling encrypted storage. These steps ensure nothing re-enables the password automatically. Make sure to save changes and allow the device to finalize settings before leaving the menu. You finish by testing the lock screen, wake the device and confirm it no longer requests the privacy password. If you still want protection, make sure to enable biometrics or individual app locks so sensitive data stays safe. If the option wouldn't turn off, reboot the device and repeat the steps. Sometimes caches block changes. If that fails, use the account recovery or security reset flow provided in settings. This verifies ownership and lets you remove stubborn passwords without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.